Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on the application of Brave. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Brave. You will find it here in this page. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.